Hi, I'm Aisling Leonard Curtin, and alongside Lene Torgrimson and Dr. Trish Leonard Curtin, together we will be co-facilitating the pre-conference workshop Neurodiv Act, looking at a neurodiversity affirmative approach to working with neurodivergent clients, with a particular focus on autism and ADHD. All three of us are ACT trainers and ACT practitioners for a number of years, and we are also all neurodivergent. We all received diagnoses of either ADHD and or autism as adults. In this pre-conference workshop, we are really passionate about helping you to know more about how to adapt ACT to neurodivergent clients, and also recognizing common pitfalls and how some traditional ACT strategies that might work really well with neurotypical clients might actually do more harm than good with neurodivergent clients. So we'll be looking at this from a minority stress theory perspective, from a human rights perspective, and also a neurodiversity affirmative approach, which means that we're looking at it from a perspective that all neurotypes have got benefit, have got something to add to humanity, and that there isn't one neurotype that's better or worse than others. However, if we do not adapt our ACT strategies specifically to neurodivergent brains, they often won't give our clients the optimal benefits that they could appreciate with an adapted approach. Also, we're bringing awareness that many clients may come for anxiety or depression or for another reason. And there are quite a high percentage of people who present for psychological treatment that actually the mood challenges and so forth are secondary to undiagnosed, untreated ADHD or unsupported autism. So we'll be bringing your awareness of how you might be able to see this in your sessions and how to make sure that your ACT strategies will benefit all that come through your door. I hope that we will see some of you in November for a 3 half-day pre-conference workshop. The early bird rate finishes on the 30th of September.